Yeah. Late night roads, chrome lights, one crew, one family. Yeah. Remember too fast. Yeah. I still remember that first street glow. LA nights when the angel spoke low. 2 rides at the line, crowd locked in. Green light flash, let the whole thing begin. Vin Diesel stood like a cold in the flame. Dominic Toretto made family more than a name. Paul Walker smiled with that sky blue soul. Brian on the road, always chasing control. Michelle Rodriguez brought fire to the street. Letty never folded, never knew defeat. Jordan, the booster, held the heart of the crew. Mia had the love that kept the family true. It was not just cars, it was more than speed. It was trust in the dark when the whole world bleeds. From the first race night to the final ride, we kept that legend burning deep inside. Remember too fast. Engines in the past, chrome in the rain, fire in the lane. Remember that crew, remember that sky. Legends don't leave, they just ride high. Then came Miami with the blue street shine. Tyrese Gibson brought jokes with the grind. Roman had the mouth, but the heart stayed real. Ludacris came smart with the tech and the steel. Tage in the lab, Roman in the ride. 2 different flames on the same wild side. Ever Mendes came sharp with the heat in the eyes. That second chapter had the sun in the skies. Then Tokyo drifted with a whole new sound. Lucas Black rolled in when the ties burned brown. Bow Wow brought Twinkie with the hustle and style. Nathalie Kelly made the neon worthwhile. And some King is Han. Calm in the smoke, every quiet look hit harder than the quote. Tokyo nights, red lights, mountain air. That drift life make the world stop and stare. Too fast, too real. Hands on the wheel. Night goes black, but we don't look back. Tokyo smoke, Miami heat, LA blood in every beat. Yeah. Fast 5 hit hard like thunder in Rio. Safe on the street, whole crew in beast mode. Dwayne Johnson came heavy, Hobbs on a hunt. 1-man army with the force in the front. Yakadao move smooth, Giselle with grace. Beauty and danger in the same fast pace. Don Omar and Tango brought flavor and fire. The whole world watched that empire climb high. Luke Evans came cold on Shaw with the plan. And Jason Statham stepped in his deck of Shaw. Man, Kurt Russell brought mystery, Mr. Nobody style. Helen Mirren came warrior with that outlaw smile. Natalie Emmanuel with Ramsey in the game. Brains in the crew, new spark, new flame. Elsa Pataki, Alina with the pain in the story. Every face in the saga added weight to the glory. John Cena came in with a brother fight. Jacob in the shadow, stepping into the light. Charlize Theron plays Cypher. Ice in the stair, cold digital storm hanging thick in the air. Ride for the ones, ride for the ones, ride for the name, ride for the name. Fast in the blood, fast in the blood. Fire in the flame. Family first, never alone. If the road calls back, well, we follow it home. Jason Momoa brought madness with a smile too bright. Dante came wild like chaos in the night. Brie Larson stepped in with a new kind of spark. Tess in the storm, lighting up the dark. Alan Richardson came heavy, power in the scene. Daniela Melchior had that fearless screen. Scott Eastwood rolled in with a sharp new lane. Rita Moreno brought roots, love and pain. But when we talk forever, one name hits deep. Paul Walker's memory is the road we keep. He left too soon, but the light stayed on. Every skyline blue feels like Brian's not gone. Nobody, just one last ride. The white road fading into the sky. But see you again, plays in the heart. Even strong men feel that break apart. This is for the fans, the posters, the streets, the DVDs, the late nights, the race day beats. From LA blocks, the Tokyo rain, from Rio lights, the London lanes. Every chapter, every scar, every flame, every actor helped build that name. Not official, just love from the lane. Tribute and bass and memory. Remember too fast, let the engine blast. One more road, one more path. We strong, legends stay. We don't say goodbye, we just drive away. Remember too fast, through the fire and rain. Every ride, keeps alive the name. For Paul, for the crew, for the family. Remember too fast.